This video is about Asan Bird Sanctuary. In this video, I took some pictures from Google. Asan Barrage Bird Sanctuary stabilized in 1967 as a man-made wetland where River Yamuna and Asan converged. This is situated on Uttrakhand and Himachal Pradesh border and about 42 km far from Dehradun city. It comes under the Chakrota Forest Reserve. It is near to Dalipur powerhouse. That's why locally it is also known as Dalipur Lake. This area attracts a large numbers of migratory birds. This park is home of many international or national migratory birds which come from Eurasia, Afghanistan, Siberia, China and different parts of India. These birds comes this area during winter and that make Asan Bird Sanctuary an interesting gateway for bird watcher and wildlife photographers. The best time to visit is from October to December and mid-March to end of April. Boating and bird watching are two activities that tourists can enjoy here.